I'm Erica Enders, two-time NHRA Pro Stock World Champion and driver of the Elite Motorsports PerTronix twin-turbo Pro Mod car. So our lead engine builder at Elite Motorsports is Jake Hairston, who is the son of Jim Hairston, and together as a family they raced Pro Mod for a long time. And when our engine shop, which Jake heads up, decided to go down this Pro Mod avenue with building engines for other customers, well, we thought it would be really nice to have a house car, and that's kind of where the Hairston family came into play and the tie with PerTronix happened. So, of course, the personal side of it is really unique and fun, but the business side of it is awesome because we're able, like I talked about before, to introduce them to new customers and just being out here and shaking hands with people and being in front of such a loyal group of fans is pretty awesome. I mean, just their pure involvement in our sport is super helpful, and I can speak to my experience. I mean, starting as a junior drag racer at 8 years old and working my way up to the sportsman ranks where I competed for 5 years, and now this is my 15th year as a professional and second year in Pro Mod. But you know what Jim and PerTronix do for our team is unbelievable. He owns the car that I drive, and you know, that intrigues a lot of our competitors to do that. There's plenty of business-to-business opportunities out here, so it's not just them putting their name on the side of my car and saying, hey, this is a cool commercial. No, we introduce them to a ton of new customers, and having them out here is very significant. We couldn't do it without them.